This question says a body of mass m kg collides elastically with another body at rest and then continues to move in original direction with one half of its original speed. The mass of the target body is. So what is happening? I'll have a body of mass m kg collides. So let's say the body is having mass m, having velocity u. The other one is at rest. I'll say that is m1 into 0 is equal to m into u by 2 plus m1 into, we'll say, v. Now what kind of collision is it? It is an elastic collision. So the kinetic energy as well as the momentum are conserved. So in this case, I need to check what is the mass of the second body. So what all things we have? We have from this expression I can get mu minus mu by 2 equal to m1 into v, or I'll get mu by 2 equal to m1 into v. I got this one. So the momentum of the other body is half the momentum of the first body. Now let's look at the kinetic energies. What is initial kinetic energy? Initial kinetic energy is half mu square. That should be equal to half m into u by 2 whole square plus half m1 into v square. So let me bring it this side. I'll get rid of halves everywhere. Then I'll get mu square minus mu square by 4 equal to m1 v square. This is what we have. So mu square minus mu square by 4 is 3 mu square by 4 equal to m1 v square. Right? So we have 3 mu square by 4 equal to m1 v square. Now what are we required to find? We are required to find mass. So if I can find one is enough. I'll take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So dividing equation 2 by equation 1 will give me m1 v square by m1 v equal to 3 mu square by 4 by mu by 2. This is what we are left with. So m1 cancels, square cancels, that will implies v equal to m cancels, u cancels. So I'll be left with 3 u by 4 into 2. So that is equal to 3 u by 2. So what is velocity? It is 3 u by 2. Now let me put this velocity in equation 1. So I'll get mu by 2 equal to m1 into 3 u by 2. So 2 cancels, u cancels. So I'll get m1 equal to m by 3 kilogram. So the mass of the target material is m by 3 kilogram. That is option C. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.